We are going to build for WhatsApp, so choose this other and go for next. Then you have to choose next, and this will take some time, and then our app will be created. Our app name is WhatsApp testing, and basically we are going to build WhatsApp chatbot AI with N8N. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Then you have to choose WhatsApp. As you see, select business portfolio, or portfolio name is selected, and then we have to go basically WhatsApp business platform APIs, like I already said this, and you have to go through this WhatsApp business platform API, and then you will see during setting the business platform API you have to you will got some you will get some credentials like API key and the credential to access this business platform API. So I did this already, so you have to do this, and you will see this. In this way you will get access to this platform business WhatsApp business platform API. So after this you have to continue. Welcome to WhatsApp business platform. Send and receive message to add from customers using cloud-based servers owned by Meta to host WhatsApp Business API client. Let's go back to the N8N where we left. As you see, you have to click on this open, and here you have to click app settings, then basic. As you see, the N8N cloud home workflows. Let's create a workflow. And here you have to select this open, and here I am going to select WhatsApp Business Cloud. Then we have to message on messages, and here question arises why we select on message. Basically on message we are going to trigger, and whenever the client or customer will send message on WhatsApp, then this system will trigger. So that's why we create a Meta developer platform account. We have to connect Meta with this. And here I am going to select create new credentials. Here you have to paste client ID and client secret from Meta, in app settings, then basics. Inside basics you will find your client ID and client secret. You have to take this client ID and client secret, and you have to paste here. As you see, I did it client ID and client secret from Meta, and I pasted it, and I just set this. I hope you will make sense for this.